Hi, this is the 9-inch headrest from Nakamichi, the NHM-090M. It's a standalone unit, but you can use it also with your radio since it has a video input. You can also use it to stream your phone to it. It has Bluetooth built in, and you also has a headphones jack and a USB port and a card reader. This is a universal unit, like I said, and you can connect it to the seat poles of any seat. Different adapters are included. So, this is the unit, this is how it connected. I'm going to put in here, in the main screen, you can choose between Bluetooth, the SD card, the Bluetooth from pairing to your phone, the AV input, video and audio input, and the phone link. In the phone link you can use it to play a game, stream a video, so you can have a more relaxing trip by the people that goes in the back row. As you can go by here, then you can change the language. I have put this in Portuguese, but you can choose the different ones that you can want. I'm going to leave it in Portuguese, so it will be easier. On back, I'm going to put it on USB again to show you that we have all the parts that can go on the headrest pins, so you can install this unit in any car. If you have any questions, just let me know.